So why do marketers need to know how to sell? Well, this is why. This is called a marketing funnel. And this is what a marketing funnel looks like today. The customer is in control at the top of the funnel. And you know why? It's because of all of this digital stuff. Customers are no longer waiting for you to come along and tell them how great your products and services are. They're looking for themselves, and they're looking on digital channels. If you're lucky, they'll get in touch with you at the end once they've decided that your product or service is potentially good enough. But they're only going to decide that if they find the answers they're looking for in the research channels that they engage with. The only way we can intercept their customer journey is to be in the right places at the right time with the right messages up here. And that's what digital marketing is all about. What is this change in the way that the customer moves through a funnel driving in terms of the changing skill sets that marketers and salespeople require today? Well, it's pushing them together. It's converging. And where it meets, it's leads generation. If you're a salesperson, you need to get marketing. If you're a marketer, you need to understand how to sell, because CEOs of tomorrow are looking for sales leads, whether it's sales, marketing, or lead generation.